It's no walk in the park with no light. I'm impatient and keen and I won't fight. I need to carry on and get through this mess that I'm working on. Where do I start? Do I finish? Is it easy? Is it hard? Is it right? Is it wrong? How many questions am I allowed to ask before I fall down and I'm carried along? I am reading in the dark if it's the lighted room, thinking on my options that went up against a bloom. It's getting more by the minute. When you're looking outside at that tall bright brick wall and a bird catches gaze, falls and stumbles and squalls, you can't help but think those unfortunate lies that can bury themselves but can suddenly rise. How many crows must you count and then stall? Must you think about carefully the losers so bold when lies do rise? Can you hide them with truth, or did they drift from me to you? I am reading in the dark of this lighted room, thinking on my options that went up against